Many people are still unaware of these practical life hacks. 1. Cut one end of a plastic tube into 4 equal parts with a saw, heat it with a heat gun, then insert a light bulb to screw it into a highlight socket. 2. If the broom head comes loose, put a balloon over the connection and cut off the bottom half of the balloon to tighten the stick. 3rd, place a CD on a wooden board with its edge pressed against the wall, then place a pen in the middle and draw a line along the wall's curve. After cutting off the drawn part, the board will fit snugly against the wall. 4. Stick a piece of double-sided tape on the tip of a drill, then attach a piece of sandpaper to use it for sharpening the drill bit. 5. Use pliers to cut off the sharp points of a thumbtack, then flatten it with a hammer to easily turn the small screws on the glass's frame. 6. If a glass jar lid is too tight to open, fold a rope and pass it through the small hole of a wrench. You can use the leverage principle to twist off the lid. 7. If the charging port of your phone is blocked, inject hot glue into the port, and once it cools, you can remove the blockage. 8. Inject hot glue into a nut. Let it cool and solidify. Then secure it to the wooden board of a closet to create a sturdy support. Have you learned these clever and practical life hacks? Repair tricks that technicians would never tell you. 1. What to do if the connector accidentally breaks. The core inside hasn't been removed yet. Just prepare 2 bolts to clamp the street head. Then use a screwdriver to hold the bolts. Twist it back with some force, and it will come out easily. Very practical. 2. Loop a rope around the faucet. Insert a screwdriver. Turn it counterclockwise to remove the faucet. This method is very useful when you don't have the right tool. 3. If the rubber ring is too small to fit, find a rope, fold it in half, and thread it through the rope loop onto the thread. Pull it from both sides. The rubber ring will fit easily. 4. Wrench too small to fit the connector? Use 2 wrenches as shown in the video to easily loosen it. 5. Space is too tight to wrap PTFE tape? Use a pencil. Wrap the PTFE tape around the pencil first, then use the pencil to wrap the tape easily. 6. Drill a hole in a wrench, then thread it. Screw on the nut. It becomes an adjustable wrench, compatible with various sizes of nuts. If you've learned something, remember to like and follow. It's said that 99% of people don't know these practical little tricks. 1. Water leaking from the drainage pipe can easily cause dampness in the walls. Cut off the tip of an old rain shoe and slip it over the drainage pipe to divert the water flow. 2. Place a CD on a wooden board with its edge pressed against the wall, then place a pen in the middle and draw a line along the wall's curve. After cutting off the drawn part, the board will fit snugly against the wall. 3. Cut off the neck of an empty bottle. Drill some small holes in the cap, then cut the lower half of a balloon and stretch it over the bottle mouth to create a universal directional water spray nozzle. 4. Attach a funnel to the table to easily remove cherry pits. 5. Place a slice of bread in a jar of cookies to keep them from getting soggy. 6. Put a strainer over a bowl to easily chop eggs. 7. Soak rusty nails in water and use them to water plants for added nutrients. 8. Punch a circle of small holes in the side of an empty bottle's bottom, fill it with water, and twisting the cap creates an interesting toy. Have you learned these clever and practical life hacks?